This iPhone nearly killed me. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here's let me tell you a story. Let me tell you a story because that'll be fun. So I ordered an iPhone Pro in the green, the midnight green, and that's what this is. It's 7, almost 8 p.m. on the Friday of the iPhone release, and I just got home with this. Now, it was supposed to be delivered by FedEx today, sometime earlier than now. However, it was not, or it was attempted to. I was here, home all day, waiting for the phone, and then the UPS guy shows up. And he leaves some packages, and then I noticed that he also left a ticket for this thing. I was in the house. I have dogs. Nobody barking. Nothing. The guy did not knock on the door. He just left the tag and left. And so I start freaking out, okay? Because it's iPhone day. I got to get iPhone videos out and all that kind of stuff. And I start driving around in my neighborhood while I'm talking to my wife on the phone like, oh, my God, what am I going to do? Of course I don't find him in the neighborhood. Of course I don't. Why would I be able to find him in the neighborhood? So I move on to plan B, which is to call UPS. And I had a feeling that calling UPS would just be kind of like one of those things where it's like, oh, okay, sorry, you can get it on Monday when they try to redeliver it. But no. They were actually pretty cool. And they're like, well, we'll try and get a hold of them, and they'll see if they can get the guy to deliver it. In the meantime, I was like, but what if they don't? I still have to have a phone today. So I went out and I got another iPhone. I got this iPhone 11 Pro Max in the space gray. It's and I did an unboxing of it, and I filmed it all. So I thought, but I didn't. Joy! Yay! That's so fantastic. I didn't film all of it. I filmed some of it. I got audio for all of it. Why do I do this? This is like way too stressful. But in the end, here I am with an iPhone Pro 11, however you say it, iPhone 11 Pro in the midnight green. So now I'll get to see what the space gray and the midnight green look like compared to one another, at least until I take one of these back, because I can't afford 2 iPhones. What the? Oh boy! But anyway, I'm excited. I won't tell you all the exciting insights that I had about the iPhone that I already opened. I'm going to tell you about this one, and I'm going to give you all the benefits of all the stuff that everybody wants, like this. And then this. Look at that. There's like a little cutout notchy thing in the box. In the box, there's a cutout notchy thing to make way for this gigantic camera thing. Yeah. Do we call it a hump? Is it a camera hump still, or is it now like a camera hemorrhoid? I don't know. It's a big camera thing. So let's take it out of the box. Here it is. Is this green? It's hard to tell in the studio lights here. They look exactly the same in my studio lights. Are they the same? No, they can't be the same. No. Did they send me the wrong one? Did Apple send me the wrong one? Space gray. They sent me a space gray. I ordered hunter green. I ordered the green. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, this day just never ends. Unbelievable. I can't believe it. They sent me the space gray. I ordered the midnight green. I know I did. I'll have to. Midnight green. That's what I ordered. That's what I ordered. It's not what they sent me. Okay, let's do this. Oh, that didn't make any sound at all. Sorry about that. There, new for this year. No, nothing on the back. Nothing at all on the back for like peeling. There's no peeling stuff on the back here, which is kind of a drag, I guess, because peeling is nice. But I do really, really like this matte finish on the glass. I like it even more than I thought I was going to like it when I saw the pictures for the event. It's so pretty. And it feels really good. Like it's a little slick, but like the rest of the phone is not slick. The sides are not slick. In fact, they feel a little bit different than the sides of, like, there's it feels like a different coating or something like that on here. But yeah, it's really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and power it on. Powering on. I can't believe they sent me space gray. I can't believe it. This iPhone, these iPhones are seriously going to kill me, or they're trying to kill me, or they might have already killed me. This might actually be hell. I might be in hell right now, and that's what I'm dealing with. So look, it starts up. It says hello. Can you see hello? Hello. Hey, good morning. Hello. Hola. Thank you. Oh my God. This is freaking unbelievable. So I'll sign into the Wi-Fi stuff. Let's take a look at the box. I mean, again, they had me at black box. I love the black boxes. The black boxes are so pretty. They're just so pretty and nice. So pretty and nice. And I don't like the white boxes. Last year was white boxes. I'm not a white box fan. Not a white box fan at all. Black is what I like. I like black. I wear black on the outside because black is how I feel on the inside. You know, that's how it goes. So let's take this off, and we've got some paperwork. And as my friend Flossie Carter might say, we'll pluck these and file them. Over there. We've got some earbuds. So, no, they're ear pods. Ear pods. Now, people out there in the world, you might be thinking like, oh, these things are terrible. These things are not terrible, actually. The ear pods were designed specifically to be able to have really pretty decent sound. There's not really, acoustically, not really any different than the AirPods. And the AirPods sound pretty good. Not pretty good. They sound okay. They sound good enough. These also sound good enough, and they're free in the box still. Apple's still free in the box. I mean, I guess you got to give them credit for that, giving you some headphones free in the box. They're lightning. They're lightning since they took away the headphone jack. But, you know, people were mad at me for not complaining about the headphone jack on the iPhone because I complained about the headphone jack on the Note 10. But here's the thing. The Note 10 took away the headphone jack this year. Just recently. And the iPhone took away the headphone jack in 2016. Okay? So I'm done complaining about the iPhone. But now the Note 10 is what I'm complaining about. But I want I want the freaking... Anyway, if you were going to make an iPhone Pro, it would really, for it to be a Pro device, it would have to have a headphone jack. But it doesn't. Of course it doesn't. Of course it doesn't. What else do we have in the box? We have, look at this. Look at this fat boy. USB-C. They USB-C'd all the things. Well, not all the things. This is still lightning. Still lightning, but they USB-C'd this. They got a USB-C to lightning cable to plug this bad boy in. 18 watts of charge and goodness. Oh, yeah, Apple. Slow down now. You're just being too crazy. You're just being... No. The iPhone 11 doesn't have this. It still has the 5-watt thing. And so I'm supposed to be upset about that. I mean, it's charging. Who cares? Who cares? Okay, so this will charge faster. Great. Wonderful. Really glad to hear it. So we got these. And we got this. And, I can't believe they sent me Space Gray. Space Gray. I mean, I like the Space Gray. In fact, I like the Space Gray better than the other thing, better than the Midnight Green when I saw it in the Verizon store today when I went to buy this because I didn't think I was going to get this. But now it's like, I got two Space Grays. I wanted to do a comparison. I wanted to compare. But I guess I'll have to not compare. Anyway, I like this. You know, every time I think like, oh, the new iPhone, it's just going to be another iPhone. And yes, it is another iPhone. But when I look at, I mean, there's just enough like this. Oh, so sweet. So sweet, this back. I mean, this is my favorite part of the phone right now is this back and the way that it colors the space gray. And I hate to, I knew this would happen. I knew this would happen. I don't hate this. I don't hate this, and I should. I mean, I kind of do, but no, I don't. It looks cool. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with I freaking frack. Ugh. You know, there's nothing else to really talk about. You got your power button on the side here, just like all the other iPhones that have looked just like this. You got nothing on the top here. You got speaker grill over here on this side. Speaker grill, and then you got your volume rocker, or your mute button, mute switch. Still the same as the old mute switch, and then volume up and down over here. And then you've got 3 gigantic honking camera lenses. I can't wait to take some pictures with the camera lenses because I took some pictures with this when I was doing my other unboxing. I just took some pictures of the camera, but I'm not gonna like make you wait while I get this set up and everything like that. I could cut the video and then do that, but it's been a long day. It's now 7:52 in the evening, and I still haven't gotten my video done until now. Now my video is done. I will wrap it up by saying, so far, the iPhone 11 Pro Max have nearly killed me on the day of their launch, but I got both of them, and both of I like them. I like them. That's, yeah. I like it. I like it. Let's see how I like it after I use it for a few days, and I'll come back and do the review and all that kind of stuff, and then we'll have so much fun. It'll be awesome. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah. Keep looking out for more iPhone content because it, of course, is coming, and it will be coming fast and hard and... Okay. Just forget I said that. Review coming soon. Maybe some camera tests. Maybe some A/B tests against like the LG V50, the iPhone XR, or 10s, both of those. The Note 10 Plus. We'll look and see how that is. See the camera. See how these cameras pan out. But so far, iPhone 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max. I'm a fan. I'm a fan. What do you want from me? That's just how it is. I'm a fan. Anyway, thanks so much for being here. I really do appreciate it. If this was your first time here and you want to come back, like, bell, notify, subscribe, do all those things. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. You can join the memberships of the channels and get all kinds of great stuff and be a part of the Painfully Honest Tech community. And if if you just don't know if you want to do any of those things, well, think about it. Think about it, because, all I've done is ramble on for now 13 and a half minutes, and I'm sure that you've really enjoyed yourself while I've done it. In closing, once again, my name is Jason. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech so honest it hurts. Until the next time, I am out.